Shirley. Sorry. And this is Jamminw with yarn. I got 7 minutes on this phone. I had it charged up for an hour. Evidently I didn't push it in good enough. So this is going to be a very quick Advent Day calendar, number 15, and my favorite one. I decided to sit here. It's going dark on me, y'all. It's going dark. I don't know if you can see me. So let's just pick one. I think I already did 7. So let's pick number, can you see me? Number 2, right here. It's Jack. Come on, before my come on, Jack. Open up. Give me your treasure up in here. Sorry. I'm using my hand. Give me your treasure. Oh gosh. I can't get this one open. Okay, we're fine. There we go. Okay, I don't know what you see. I got a lot of stuff around me. Okay, y'all. I'm tearing it up. I hope this come out right. Oh, very nice. Very pretty. What are these called? Delightfully. It says delightfully. Sorry. I'm professional. Delightfully dark. And it's dark. I hope this come out. You guys have a wonderful day, evening, morning, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care and be well.